how to unlink Fortnite account from PS5. So you need to use either a PC or your phone and just go search for Epic Games. Load up the first website that pops up right here. Now, once we are taken onto the website, we will click on sign in the top right and simply use your email address and your password to sign into your account here. So once you sign in, it is going to ask you for the confirmation code if you have this set up. So I'm gonna come back in a sec. Okay, so once you have been signed in here on the website, we want to click on our name and then we will go into account. Just click on account and it's going to load up a new page like so. And here we want to go and choose apps and accounts. So click on apps and accounts and you should see the PlayStation Network here. If you want to unlink your Fortnite account from PS5, you'll click on remove. Here you can read through the information, what is going to be lost, just confirm and click on remove account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.